So you drive a flatbed, get all your straps off, right? All your straps. You know, one way to do it, right? Like this, right? You know, they're stiff, they're hard as shit. You gotta go through all this goofy ass shit. And man, come back over here, turn it, or one of these. Flip so you guys can read it. All you do is you connect it here and you twist it. That's all. You're supposed to do it with two hands. Go by quick. But you get the hint. I'm just doing it with one hand on the phone. Twist. I mean, feed it through. And just flip. Twist. Twist on. Twist off. Easy. Get you one of these. Like 20, 30 bucks at a truck stop. Stop being cheap.